Hi, I'm Sandy Ingram. Welcome to the channel Retirement Options. On this channel, we talk about earning money online for baby boomers, the cost of living options outside of the United States, and becoming a digital nomad. No hype here. All information is verifiable. If you want to keep things simple while supplementing your retirement income each month, you are in the right place. Each video has goals, what you need to get started, and crucial assignments for success. I'm a retired expat from America traveling the world, now in Mexico during the pandemic. I supplement my retirement income online using a variety of different platforms. There are many different ways to earn income online. In today's video, we're going to talk about digital products. In this video, we will explore one of the most popular and easiest ways to earn income with digital products and how you can get started. For example, here is a part of my digital product profile online. However, this is not where or how I earn the most income each month. Stay with me. I will show you the evolution of digital products, this video to upcoming videos. You select what you enjoy doing most. Ready? Then let's get started. To get started, all you need is Word document capabilities, a reliable spell check, and a popular topic to write about. Remember, what is popular to you may not be popular to others. Assignment number 1. Learn how to determine popular topics online. There is a free course created by Google to train you how to find the most popular topics. The name of this free course is Digital Garage. Once you learn this technique, it will empower you to earn anytime you want online because you will always be talking on or writing about a topic that is of interest to others. When people are interested, they will pay for quality information. You can write a story, a novel, a how-to book, a children's book, or an informative informational report. You will need a professional editor or editing software. It is best to have a professional book cover. You can upload your digital product to Amazon Kindle store for free. You want as many positive reviews as possible within the first 30 days of publishing your book. You will have 30 days to send as much traffic as you can to your Amazon book page. Then Amazon will assign you a ranking outside of the new book status. If you want to know more details, you can always purchase my book, How to Travel the World While Earning and Living Online. This is the beginning to earning money online. Look in the description for more information and links to help you get started. Remember, your assignment is to enroll and complete the free Digital Garage course by Google. This is your foundation for earning money online. You must learn how to promote yourself, your book, or your product, or your service. And you want to learn from the company that makes the rules. There are two types of people online when it comes to making money. Those who know what they're doing and those who don't.